I welcome you all for the course Digital Principles and System Design. Today we are going to discuss about excitation tables of various flip-flops. What do you mean by excitation table? What is the purpose of it? Excitation table is used to find the next state when the current state is given. Okay. We can find the excitation tables of various flip-flops based on their characteristic tables. That is, for finding the excitation table of a particular flip-flop, we are in the need of the characteristic table of that particular flip-flop. Okay. Now we will find out the excitation tables of various flip-flops one by one. First we are going to find out for SR flip-flop. So for that we need to know the characteristic table of SR flip-flop. Okay. SR QT plus 1. Okay. 0 0 means it is having no change state. It is no change state for SR. If it is 0 1, it is reset state. Irrespective of the present value of present state, the next state is always 0. Then 1 0, it is called as a set state. Irrespective of the present value of present state, the next state is always 1. For 1 1, it is indeterminate state because both the outputs of the flip-flops momentarily goes to 1. Okay, that is why it is indeterminate. So this is our characteristic table of SR flip-flop. Now, based on this, we are going to find the excitation table of SR flip-flop. Just we are going to reverse the characteristic table, which means QT and QT plus 1 becomes the inputs, and we are going to find out the values for S and R. Okay. This is our excitation table part. Table SR flip-flop. Okay. Now our inputs are going to be QT plus 1. Okay. So there are two inputs, means 4 input combinations. So first one is 0 0. So now we are going to find the excitation table based on this characteristic table 0 0. Just look out for the 0 0 combination in this. In QT plus 1, it is coming in two different combinations, right? 0 0 is coming in two different combinations. Look at the value of S. It is not getting changed in both the combinations, so that is 0 0. So I am putting the value of S as 0. But the value of R is changing in both the combinations. In one combination it is 0, in the other combination is 1. So I am putting the value of R as don't care, that is X. Okay. Similarly, we need to find it for the next input 0 1. How many combinations are coming for 0 1? I think it is only one combination is coming 0 1. So simply we are going to write the values of S and R as it is. Okay. So what is the S and R value? 1 0. Then what is the next value of QT plus 1? 1 0. Look at that. If 1 0 is coming in more than one combination, I think no, it is coming in only one combination. Here only it is coming. So we are going to write the corresponding values of S and R as it is. Here for 1 0 it is S and R value is 0 1. Okay. Then 1 1. Look at the value of 1 1. I think 1 1 is coming in two ways, two combinations. Here 1 1. Here also 1 1. So now we need to look at the values of S and R. S values are getting changed, but R is not changing. That is the value of R is 0. So S is changing. So I am putting as X 0. This is the excitation table of an SR flip-flop. This is how you need to find out the excitation table for other flip-flops. Now we will find out for JK flip-flop. One more thing is, it is very important to remember the excitation table of all the flip-flops because it plays a vital role in designing the counters. Okay, so you are supposed to remember the excitation tables of all the flip-flops we are discussing now. Okay, this is the excitation table of an SR flip-flop. 0, 0 is 0x, 0, 1 is 1, 0, 1, 0 is 0, 1, 1, 1 means it is x0. Okay, you have to remember this excitation table. Now we will move on to find the excitation table for JK flip-flop. Okay. JK flip-flop, we are going to find it. JK. Here also we are going to have a JK. So there is only one change in JK flip-flop compared to SR flip-flop is, that is for the input 1, 1, the next state is going to be toggle state. When present state is 0, the next state is going to be 1. When the present state is 1, the next state is going to be 0. The other values are very same. Okay, right? We know that 0, 0 means no change, 0, 1 means reset, 1, 0 means set, and then 1, 1 is nothing but toggle, right? So I have made only one change, that is when input is 1, 1, the present and the next state would be 1, 0, that represents the toggle state. Okay, now we are going to find the excitation table using this characteristic table. Okay, 0, 0. Just look at 0, 0. It is coming in two combinations here. Look at the value of j and k. J is not changing, k is changing. So j value is not changing means it is 0 in both the cases. So I am retaining 0 as it is, but k value is changing. So I am putting don't care here x. Next is 0, 1. 0, 1, where are coming in? Yeah, it is coming here. 0, 1, 0, 1. Look at the value of j. It is 1. It is not changing. It is 1 in both the cases. So I am putting 1 here. K value is changing. That is why I am putting x for 0, 1. For 1, 0. For 1, 0, where it is coming? Here. For 1, 0, here it is coming, and here it is coming. 1, 0, here you can look at the value of j. J is changing, k is not changing, k is having a 1 in both the cases. So x1. Okay, it is x1. What about 1, 1? 1, 1 is coming here. 1, 1 and then 1, 1 here. So j is changing, k is same, that is 0 in both the cases. J is changing, so I am putting x and because k is not changing, because k is 0 in both the cases. Okay, so this is the excitation table for JK flip-flop. 0, 0, 0x, 0, 1, 1x, 1, 0, x1, 1, 1, x0. Okay, this is the excitation table of an JK flip-flop. Next, we are going to see about the excitation table of T flip-flop or toggle flip-flop. Okay. And then so we are going to change this and okay. So now we need to change the characteristic table because T is having only one input. So how many combinations will it be? 2 input combination only will come. No, since T is alone the input. Okay. So T, QT plus 1. Similarly here also we have to change, rather than having 2 inputs, rather than having two outputs, we are going to have only one output, that is called as a T. Right? So when T is 0, no change state in terms of a characteristic table. So 0, 1 means the next state is also 0, 1. When T is 1, flip-flop moves on to toggle state. That is when present state is 0, next state is 1. When present state is 1, the next state is 0. Okay. So this is the two combinations, two input combinations for T flip-flop. If T is 0, no change state. If T is 1, toggle state. Based on which we need to design the excitation table. Now we'll try to find out the excitation table of T flip-flop. 0, 0. 0, 0. How many combinations is coming? It is we are having only one combination of 0, 0. So we are going to take the value of T as it is. So when QT plus 1 is 0, T is 0. 0, 1. 0, 1 means it is T value is 1. 1, 0 means 1, 0 also T is 1. 1, 1. 1, 1 means T is 0. This is the excitation table of T flip-flop. That is 0, 0 means 0. 0, 1 is 1. 1, 0 is 1. 1, 1 means 0. Is it clear? This is the excitation table of T flip-flop. Then, now we are going to find the excitation table of an T flip-flop. First, we will design the characteristic table. I think we know that D flip-flop is otherwise known as data flip-flop. If D is 0, what is that? Reset state. If D is 1, it is set state. Okay. If D is 0, the next state would be 0, 0. If D is 1, the next state would be 1, 1. Irrespective of the present value, when D is 0, the next state is will be 0, 0. When D is 1, irrespective of the present state, the next state would be always 1. So that's what simply we can define that. When D is 0, the flip-flop is in reset state. When D is 1, the flip-flop would be in set state. Okay. Now we'll find the excitation table. 0, 0. For 0, 0, there won't be more than one combination, only one combination. 0, 0 means 0. Then 0, 1 means 1. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is the excitation table for an D flip-flop. If QT plus 1 is 0, 0, the D is 0. 0, 1 means 1. 1, 0 is when QT plus 1 is 1, 0, D is 0. When QT plus 1 is 1, 1, D is 1. Okay. So this is about the excitation tables of the various flip-flops that we have discussed. It is, once again I am telling you that it is very important to keep it in mind all the excitation tables of all the flip-flops. Okay, this would be very much useful while we are designing the counters. So you may ask to design the counter using any flip-flop. Okay, for designing the counter, absolutely we are in the need of excitation table of specific flip-flop you will be asked to design, right? Okay. That is why we are in the need of excitation table. Okay. Thank you.